Yeah. Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be installing a chassis mounted front splitter for the Honda S2000, baby. Yeah.
You stupid.
But yeah, we're going to install this. I got this for a really good price. It was used, but the guy who had this mounted it on the same exact front bumper that I did. This is the devsport front splitter. It's a chassis mounted splitter. So this is gonna go to, I believe, your crash bar, but we're gonna find out once we start working on it. I'm not too sure. This is gonna be my first time installing it, so you guys are gonna follow along with me. We're gonna start by taking off the bumper and we're gonna mount everything down. Nothing too special, but hopefully we can stand on it by the end of the day. Who knows? Maybe it'll break. Also, if you guys didn't watch the video before this one, we painted the valve covers in a wrinkled black. It used to be red, but it was all chipping and messed up. And we also did the valve cover gaskets. But if you guys are wondering, it's pretty much stock, besides an intake. Alright, now we gotta figure out how to do this. Slide work. Look how crazy that would look.
That looks dumb as shit.
Alright, so basically, apparently there's already two big holes underneath here. So what you do is you just slide your original brackets through them, like this. Get your nuts and bolts and everything. And all you do is just slide them in. Boom, boom, boom. What is this? I'm done. And then just two bolts, bolt it on, and you're done. Tighten that boy. Man, that's the slightest install ever. But hopefully, we'll see in give us 20 minutes, and we'll see.
Who's gonna lose their bolt first? Who's gonna lose their bolt first? Just lift it.
Nope. No, I did. Please. Man, it won't go through. I don't have enough.
There you go.
That bitch is on there now.
Gains. Don't touch me.
Why? You like being touched.
Fun fact, John is very ticklish from his sides.
Fun fact, JP's an ugly ass.
God damn.
Fun fact,
John is uglier than me. Oh no, we're not gonna have this argument.
Oh, me guys, I stripped it. I stripped it.
How?
No. No. This is not gonna work.
Stand on it.
No, it's
no
gonna,
pussy
break.
shit. You're gonna break.
No, I can't lock it up. Someone's making Korean barbecue, dude.
I know, it smells so
hella
good.
Get this done before they close.
So galpy.
Ooh.
Ooh. Ooh,
That's
that's
a bit wearing
extra
this
lit.
up.
Hey,
Man, bro.
now he needs some side skirts, guys.
The next day.
Alright guys, it's been probably about a week and a half now, but we finally got the wheels back. The work wheels that we sent off to get them rebuilt and finished. So, this is what the wheels are like right now. We're running the ESR RF1s right now, but we're gonna swap them out real quick for our newly repaired Work VSXX. Look at that. Oh my god. So we got the center face powder coated, and then we have the outer rims polished and refinished with clear coat. So everything is nice, shiny, and glossy. They did a pretty good job doing this. I'm gonna throw them back onto the car and see how they look. These are 17s, those are 18s. We also did raise the car a little to fit the 18s. So hopefully we don't have too big of a wheel gap, but who knows? And you guys will see the final product in a bit. We got one side done. That's what it looks like. Leave a comment down below, which wheel color do you guys like? Do you guys like the black on yellow, or do you guys like the white on yellow? Personally, I prefer the white ones, but who knows? Maybe everyone likes the black ones. that's so bad. Damn. Holy.
还叫人家死了。
Woo, low life.